Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com for Elliott wave trading, www.24elliottwaves.com. The title of the video is how I validate my wave count like a pro, part 4. Alright. So this week we were looking at the euro dollar. We have counted 5 waves on the 50-minute chart plus a flat correction. And then we see that the price continue to go ups and down because of the situation in Greece. Alright. So, because I can't see all my drawing on a 50-minute chart, I will go to the 30-minute chart so I can see everything that I've said before. Alright, so here we are. We counted first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and a fifth wave. Now, what I said to traders was that if you go on the 4-hour chart to validate our wave counts, alright, we will notice that the move that we are counting out, this move up here, all the way down here, is part of a bigger first wave on the 4-hour chart. Alright? So this move here is not the real first wave is a first minor wave of a bigger first wave, because the wave pattern is a fractal pattern. Alright? So the 50-minute chart, this is a first wave, second wave. Alright, we were expecting the third Elliott wave to begin here and to go into the zone of 11579. I told traders the mistake that traders are making is to assume that the price will do exactly what you're expecting. The economy news, the market environment, the market sentiment can change the dynamics of the wave count. As we have seen this week, the situation in Greece is affecting the euro dollar. All right, so the market sentiment towards the euro is bearish right now, first due to quantitative easing in the eurozone, and also because there is this discussion going on. The current Greek government want the extension of the bailout fund without the austerity measures, but Germany, which is the leader in the eurozone, has said that you cannot have the extension of the bailout money without the austerity measures, the restrictive measures concerning the public spending in Greece. All right, so this situation has put bearish pressure on the euro USD currency pair. All right, so this is one of the challenges that the Elliott wave practitioner are facing. So it's not all about technical analysis, as I said before. One must always combine the technical analysis and the fundamental. And as we are counting the Elliott wave, we are going one step at a time. We don't want to violate the market pattern, and we don't want to ignore the economy news, the market sentiment, and the market environment. And this is a beautiful example, as I'm trying to show traders the challenge that we face when we are counting Elliott wave in real time as the price is moving up and down. So we can count Elliott wave when the cycle is already completed. So this already completed, so we count it and say, this is it. But what we are doing here, we are following the price as the price moving one step at a time. So what's happening now? So I start counting my first wave from here all the way up here. Second wave did not cancel the first wave, ended here. I said to traders that the second wave, according to the Elliott wave principle, the second wave should not cancel the first wave. So now you can see that we are at the beginning of the first wave. So our first Elliott wave has been cancelled. So what do? We forget about our wave count completely. It's like it did not happen. This is how we do it. I am recording a few videos about guidelines, how to count Elliott wave, guidelines 1 to 6. All right, I will be posting that at 24 Elliott wave YouTube channel. All right, so stay tuned. And when the second wave cancels the first wave, one will start counting Elliott wave. That's where we are now. The market pattern on the 30-minute chart, normally we should be on the 50-minute chart, but because I can't see all my drawing, I switch to the 30-minute chart to see all my drawing. So right now where we are, we will forget about our wave count because the second wave, the correction, has canceled our first wave. All right? So everything we have done so far, we put it aside and we just stay focused on the price, which is the #1 indicator, without forcing it, without distorting it. This is about, how I validate my wave count. Part 4, the second wave, they're supposed to be. All right, so it's a dynamic wave count, supposed to be second wave. All right, because we didn't have the third wave, because the market environment was bearish. There won't be any third Elliott wave if the fundamentals are weak, the market sentiment is bearish. All right, talking about the bullish third Elliott wave. All right, this is one of the examples here. The price start gushing up, further resistance here, discussion increase, supported. This resistance here, RSI was overbought. Common trend is broken. It's a sell. All right, try to come back to the starting point. Price can go below the starting point. In fact, I recorded a video just now talking about guide to improving FS trading. Step 1, I George to your channel. I'll be posting that video. And I was talking to traders how we handle this situation. But because this is about Elliott wave, how I validate my wave counts, like a pro, part 4. The second wave, the supposed to be second wave, has canceled my supposed to be first wave. So everything returned to 0. We will restart counting wave. When the second wave cancels the first wave, we will start counting the Elliott wave. So what I will do now, I'll go back again to the 50-minute chart and see what the price will offer us. Are we having a new first wave? We will see. So at this point in time, all I will do, the market pattern is a consolidation, a balanced market pattern. I'll just draw a line here. But one thing I don't want to forget, which trader will always try to forget, sometimes the market will play hide and seek game, all right? Which means economy news change the dynamics of the market, trader forget everything else, but you don't want to forget everything else, all right? We forget about our wave count, but something else we don't want to forget is this one here. This level here, 11444. We were expecting the third Elliott wave that the price to break above the level of 11444 and to find a support to bring the third Elliott wave into the zone. You remember? Let's go to the 30-minute chart. You can see it there. Into the zone of 11579. You don't want to forget that. Though we forget about our wave count, you don't want to forget that level, that if the price slowly it goes above the level 11444 and the final support, the target is still at 11579 up to the short-term equilibrium price level. As I talk about it, I join to your channel, Forex trading, euro dollar, 2015. That video is very important, essential video for Forex traders. You don't want to forget this. You do not want to forget it. If the price goes above 11444 and final support, this level stands still. Sometimes you may see a distortion because of the market sentiment, the economy news, but then you will see the price slowly will go back up. All you need to do is to bring it back here and say, though it has canceled it, if it's truly a distortion, you have to start again, align your wave count right here, adjusting it, because distortion do happen in this messy market, and maybe we may not see a first proper Elliott wave up to here, but the price will slowly go above the level of 11444 and start going up to this zone. In that case, you don't want to forget this one here. All right, very important. All right, very important. You just remember that there is a target at 11579 up to the zone of 11600. Very important. A lot of Elliott wave traders are quite, if I put it lightly, very arrogant. Now, it's not in the proper sense of the word arrogant. We know what the price will do. We can forecast the market exactly, and this is exactly what the price will do. Get away from that kind of attitude. Hedge fund, real hedge funds, Real experienced traders that are Elliott wave practitioners, one day they wipe out their trading account out. The message that we are sending here, the reason why I'm saying this like this, is not to annoy traders, is to tell traders that the market is the king and we are market players. We must not go ahead of the market. We just flow with it. No one is smarter than the market, all right? If it's going down, sell it. If in a balanced market, play with the balanced market. With the tree market pattern, the horizontal market pattern, the declining market pattern, and the rising market pattern, we are not fighting the market, we are flowing with the market. As you can see here on a 30-minute chart, even if you don't know anything about Elliott wave, it is in a consolidation. Traders are buying here now. As I was explaining to traders in a guide to improving FS trading, step 1, I jot to your channel. I say to trader, one will go to the 30-minute chart. Some trader will buy straight away right here. Some trader will prefer to buy above here. Another trader will buy above the declining channel that I have drawn on the 30-minute chart. I hope you have learned something from this video, all right? And we put into use, okay, to make excellent, okay, wave count. This is the end of this series of video about how I validate my Elliott wave count like a pro, part 1 to 4. The first wave has been cancelled. If I start recording another video, if there is another opportunity, I will start another series and I will show you what is happening in real time, not when the price has finished to print the wave, but when the price is moving one step at a time, how we handle it without violating the market pattern. The bottom line is, was it a successful trade or a losing trade? All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how I validate my Elliott wave count like a pro, part 4. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please make sure you give us the thumbs down and put a comment below. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders.